Good day everyone, welcome. In this video we'll show you how to export Gmail contacts for account migration. So just open up your Gmail in your browser and click the Google Apps grid, which is this one right next to the blue upgrade. And then just scroll down until you find Google Contacts. There you go. Click on it. Or you can also simply just navigate to this page, to that address. After that, guys, if you want to export every single contact, look at the top action bar and click the selection arrow. So I don't have any contacts, let me just create a sample one. Okay, save that, just a test one. All right, and then you go to contacts and you choose all of them. There's going to be an arrow here if you have multiple to choose all of these contacts. So also if you only need a specific one, just tick the checkboxes next to individual contacts. Next, click the export button, 3 dots, and then choose export. Then you choose the file format of your export. You can choose Google CSV, or if you're migrating to a Gmail, or CSV for Outlook, or vCard for Android or iOS, depending on the platform. I'll just leave it at default, press export. Then as you can see, it will prompt you to save it. I'll save it to downloads, save. And there's my contacts in CSV file format. So pretty easily done. Guys, if this was helpful, as always, don't forget to subscribe.